Damn, man. That's awesome. I like that a lot. That's my kind of system right there.
16 Resilient Sounds Onyx 12s. It's a 6th order. I had Hunter Martin design it. I'm not super familiar with 6th. I can do 4th, but with the 6th order, we had him do it. A little peaky, but it gets down. One of the subs in the very back fell out, so I had to take all the subs out to remount it. That was fun. And there was a ton of baffle flex, so we had to pull them out again and add more bracing. And my voltage is terrible on 8 of the Banda 8Ks. We have 2 US Alt 390s and 2 limitless lithium 80 amp hour batteries. I mean, we got a 15-inch mid in the door, every brand. Resilient Sounds, PRV, American Bass, just whatever would fit. They're just for show, you know, for flashy, for the show. You know, there's no real purpose to them.
Above that certain point, it's just like that one over there was getting me real bad.
Yeah, it's got a high note, middle note, not much on the low, but it's got its wonder note.
Yeah,
it's good.
I bet you've had a lot of interesting reactions so far from today.
Yeah. It's, you know, I've only had one little demo session, but so far so good.
And you're happy. It seems like you're pretty happy with everything so far.
We'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything holds together.
Yep, sometimes these bass gummos gotta stay short and sweet, because apparently our buddy Chad was having some minor voltage issues. I mean, hell, 64,000 watts, 8Ks, you definitely gotta have a big enough battery to sustain that type of power. But either way, we did get a little bit of something with a taste of bass from our buddy Chad, so thank you for that. And we hopped over a few cars to check out Todd Donnelly's very unique looking setup. It kind of reminded me of Frankenstein with the inverted subs all pushed in like that, but his had a driver's side port, and we jumped right into the bass. No little run through in the beginning, but we went right in hardcore heavy right here for this next clip. Let's check it out.
I'm finally getting loud.
Kind of getting a little
warm. It's got a lot of work to do. Like, the inside of the box hasn't even been glassed. None of these angles have even been taken care of or addressed. I just sprayed foam in the gaps.
No Wow, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was, dude. So hold on a second. So where is this woofer's chamber leading out to?
It's just inverted. I mean, it's all in the same chamber. This is all one chamber.
Where does it come out to?
It's a removable port. Here, I'll get out of the way. Get in there.
That's interesting. Oh, I see. So this is just a long port here.
Yep.
I thought it was like enclosed.
No.
Okay.
It's just a flat wall, technically.
Yeah, that's cool as hell.
Uh-oh. It's all good.
I don't think there's any going back, my man. There's no going back.
Yeah. It's just separating the fiberglass now.
Oh, Oh, yeah.
This thing was built like within a week.
No
for
shit.
this show.
Dude, that's insane.
That's pretty much got it playing to go. Like these are all coming out and I'm getting their 7Ks that they're coming out with.
Yeah? Dang. All right, just got pulled aside by our buddy Seminja here. He's got two 21-inch subs. I know how you guys really like those big woofers, so I figured I'd give you a little lowdown. Just walked across the parking lot here and got Flex on his license plate. Oh, Craig jig to know tomorrow. Check that, that's beautiful.
3/4 inch MDF all around, 2 incremental 1 use, 6 diehard AGM Group 31s,
Holy
10K
Moses.
Taramps.
That's big, boy, that's big. Damn. And you built this all yourself?
Yep.
All right.
All in my backyard, recording them in my house.
You said you reconed it from watching my stinking video from like 4 years ago?
I was actually watching it while I reconed it.
Wow, that's awesome. Let's get a little listen to this. Is it running right now?
Yep.
Damn. Purrs like a kitten, dude.
Yep. I still have stock alternator. I got 6 batteries, 5 in the back, 1 under the hood, 10K for the base, strapped at 1.5 ohms. The Rockford is pushing the door speakers and pretty much about it.
Okay. Taramps. I have a Taramps, Taramps or whatever you want to call it, sound processor. I really love it.
I actually run a Clarion. I don't have no EQ. I run a Clarion with a that's it, just a Clarion radio.
Okay. Man, I like that a lot. It's clean. It sounds clean. You drive with this everywhere, so it's all you really need.
They're now breaking in.
Now breaking in?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man.
This is the first time I really jammed them since I put it in.
No Well, I appreciate you taking me aside and jamming a little bit for me, my man. Oh, I didn't even see this right here. Got your epicenter sound. Is that a processor or a
That's the processor for that beat, but I only run that for like old school reggae.
Okay.
I don't really use that for anything else, Jern.
Sweet, man. Well, until the next video, guys, this is me and Seminja. I like that name, dude. I like it a lot. All right, talk to you guys later. Well, there we have it, guys. 3 more solid sounding systems right here on the EXO channels. Kind of short, but short and sweet, if you ask me. We started out with Chad and his very big sound system crammed up with 64,000 watts of bass power.
We'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything holds together.
And then, of course, we jumped over to Todd Donnelly's setup with his 3 18s, or were those 15s? Man, I'm always so bad at determining what size subwoofers are, so if you have a better idea of what they are, let me know. But his setup was so reminiscent of Frankenstein, it was awesome to see.
It's just a flat wall, technically.
Then we finished up with our buddy Seminja from the TD8 show, and he had 2 21-inch subs crammed into his SUV, but on 11,000 watts. Pretty damn cool for a daily setup, and to know that literally that is his car. 2 21s. I think I would like to have 21s in my car. I would just have to do a little bit of a notch out in my wall to make it possible. But let me know what the biggest size subwoofer you have ever seen in a setup like this, and if it made you happy with the sound of it, because sometimes people complain that bigger subs can't accurately reproduce music like a 12 or a 10 can. And it may be a great topic for a new upcoming myth video, like car audio myths. Me and Edward Lester are actually here today doing some filming in the station, out in the garage. There should be some big time developments with the big behemoth build. We are taking all of my subs, bringing them to the Sundown warehouse, and we're gonna remagnetize all these woofers for the big new build. So everything is coming very, very fast, and I can't wait. And I have the finances in order for the wood, for the Russian Baltic birch, probably 11 to 13 ply wood. I can't freaking wait. This is awesome, guys. This is gonna be so rewarding for both of us, and I just, So thanks for watching this quick little video. In the meantime, I just wanted to get something up on the channel. This footage was filmed in 2016, so that's why the general dynamic is a little bit different. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, but until the next one, this is EXO signing out. Thanks for everybody who gives me great demos, and I will talk to you in the next one. Your support means the best, and thanks our patrons. You guys are also the best. This is EXO signing out.